Hey there, Erin Bradley here, coming to you today with a Tuesday tip for lenders, realtors, and of course our homeowners that we work with. So I want to talk today about demystifying the credit report. It's kind of a confusing thing, and it really frustrates me when I see lenders that pull someone's credit report, tell the client their credit score, and if it's less than perfect, they just go ahead and offer an interest rate associated with that credit score without offering the client any advice on how to improve their credit scores. And I always say to my clients that a credit report, or your credit score for that matter, if it's not perfect right now, if it's damaged in some way, it's much like an injury, okay? So injuries, sometimes it takes time to heal, and sometimes physical therapy can help speed up the recovery process. And as your lender or any trusted lender that you work with, we should be able to look at your credit report and see if there's any opportunity for physical therapy to speed up the recovery process and get you a better credit score before you buy in order to help you qualify for a better interest rate, better terms, lower monthly payment, all the good stuff. So a couple things to think about. For example, let's say you've had a late payment on a credit card or a car payment or something like that. Now that's reported on your credit report. And if it's accurate that you've had a late payment, 30 days late, 60 days late, or so on, that will hurt your credit score. And that will take time to heal, because if it's accurate, there's really nothing you can do about that. On the flip side, collections, which have not been paid, sometimes you can pay that collection and see your score improve. Sometimes if it's an older collection, when you pay it, it actually brings that account current again, and it can dip your score in the short term, but improve it more quickly in the long term. Things like a quick fix, for example, would be if you have a credit card that's maxed out, the balance is near the limit. That can weigh down your credit score. That could potentially be an easy fix. Like you could potentially pay off that credit card and we can rescore and see that your score goes up overnight, essentially. And sometimes it's a snapshot in time. So we pull someone's credit report, and maybe you have a credit card that you use regularly and you put all of your expenses on it and you pay it off in full every month. Well, when we pull your credit, it's just a snapshot in time. So it may be that your card is actually paid off now and it just wasn't reporting yet to the bureaus. So this is another opportunity where we can look to see, what if we get that updated, will it improve your score? The bottom line is that most lenders who use credit reporting agencies to get a credit report, most of the agencies that we use provide us services to help you determine if there's any way we can improve your score before you buy. There's something called a what if simulator that says, for example, what if I pay off this credit card? What's it going to do to my score? There's also something called the credit expert, at least with the company that we use, where we could say, all right, we want to improve the score by 20 points. What can we do? And it'll offer different solutions. At Fairway Independent Mortgage, we actually have an internal credit optimization department that can help our clients. You'll have a personal concierge, one-on-one support, holding you accountable, making sure that you're doing the activity to get your score up to where it needs to be. And in some cases, it's just about getting it above a 740, which is going to get you the best rates and terms on most programs. Not all, but most of them. Sometimes it's above a 760. You can get even better rates and terms depending on the loan program. The bottom line is that your lender's job is to advise you. So we shouldn't just pull your credit, tell you what your credit score is, and assign you a loan program without giving you some further advice. So if you're a real estate agent, make sure your lender partners are doing this. If you're a lender and you're not doing it, you need to step up the game. And for all you homeowners out there that have questions about your credit, we're always happy to be a resource. So we're here for you. Love helping you. Appreciate you as always. Have an awesome day.